Hey guys, welcome to another YouTube unboxing. And for today's YouTube unboxing, I got two Anker products. I got the wall charger, the Nano, that everyone's been talking about on YouTube, and I've got the cable that everyone's been talking about. Let's go for the cable first. Oh, and if y'all were wondering, yes, I took out the sticker thing first that goes here, because today I'm doing it with one hand. And the first thing we get like a little, I guess like a little booklet thing with customer service and stuff. This is my first time buying Anker products, so yeah. Oh look, you get a Velcro strap. That's pretty dope. Velcro strap. And you get like it's USB-C to USB-C. Now, if you remember my last YouTube unboxing, I did the unboxing on this thing over here, the wireless charger with the stand, and that's the reason why I bought this cable, so I could use it with the wireless charger. Yep. And now for the main feature. Oh, and by the way, I bought the iPhone from T-Mobile. I had to subscribe. I'm a T-Mobile member now, so I had to subscribe because I couldn't get an iPhone from Apple, because Apple kept on, for some reason, canceling my order twice. I got one from T-Mobile, so yeah. Alright, this one actually says happy. The other one, oh, okay, they both say the same thing. It's like a customer service thing, I guess. Oh yeah, and this one has double, two of them. Two for the price of one. And I guess this is like a little, you can charge your iPad and the iPhone at the same time. It's genius, I tell you. Now for the main star of the show.
Alright, let's talk about Hillsdale.
Sorry about the music, guys. It's just that my brother was playing music in the background, and hold on. Wow. There it is, guys. Anker has the two ports right there, and this. And well, guys, I'm gonna have to cut it short because my brother's playing some random music, you know. So there we go. And yeah, there's really not much to say. It's Anker 521 charger Nano Pro. It's gonna charge your USB Type-C stuff faster. That's all I can say. Thank you for watching this YouTube unboxing. Always remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And on February 22nd, which I think it's next week on Wednesday, I get the iPhone. So I'll be doing an unboxing on that. I got the iPhone 13 Pro, Sierra Blue. Oh, I also got the Otter Defender case. Alright guys, see you next time.